removing the air intake, I look through here, and guess what? Mass airflow sensor is dirty. So I'm going to clean it. You can go and buy some mass airflow sensor cleaner. I don't have any cleaner right now, but I'll be using some rubbing alcohol and some Q-tips to clean it. So the screws on my mass airflow sensor, this one right here is very old and rusty, and so as y'all can see, the sensor was really dirty. I already cleaned it a little bit. You can look at the swab, you see? I already took some off, but it was really dirty. So I'm using a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol, and I'm just gently just cleaning, removing dust, gently cleaning it. And we're gonna do the same thing in here. Okay.